Hello everyone, welcome. So we've been working with the verb aimer in the present tense. In the last lesson you learned how to say I like, j'aime. You like, tu aimes, es ending. He likes, il aime, e ending. She likes, elle aime, e ending. And then one likes, we like, they like, on aime, also e ending. We have one more form, the you like with the vous. Vous aimez, easy ending. Remember that if you want to ask questions, you can invert the conjugated verb and subject pronoun. For some of the forms you have to add this T for pronunciation purposes. It doesn't mean anything in English. And we do that when we have two adjacent vowels. And we also learn that instead of nouns, you can use infinitives with aimer. So to ask the question, do you like to eat? You would say, aimes-tu manger? Do you like to swim? Aimes-tu nager? Do you like to read? Aimes-tu lire? Do you like to travel? Aimes-tu voyager? Do you like to cook? Aimes-tu cuisiner? Does he like to eat? Aime-t-il manger? Does he like to swim? Aime-t-il nager? Does he like to read? Aime-t-il lire? Does he like to travel? Aime-t-il voyager? Does he like to cook? Aime-t-il cuisiner? Does she like to eat? Aime-t-elle manger? Does she like to swim? Aime-t-elle nager? Does she like to read? Aime-t-elle lire? Does she like to travel? Aime-t-elle voyager? Does she like to cook? Aime-t-elle cuisiner? Remember that on means several things, so we're going to go, in this case, with do they like. So if you want to say, do they like to eat? Aime-t-on manger? Do they like to swim? Aime-t-on nager? Do they like to read? Aime-t-on lire? Do they like to travel? Aime-t-on voyager? Do they like to cook? Aime-t-on cuisiner? And finally, do you like with the vous? Do you like to eat? Aimez-vous manger? Do you like to swim? Aimez-vous nager? Do you like to read? Aimez-vous lire? Do you like to travel? Aimez-vous voyager? Do you like to cook? Aimez-vous cuisiner? Okay, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like, perhaps share, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. To continue to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen, and I'll see you soon. A bientôt.